Hey guys, thanks for cooking with Tammy. Today I'm going to show you how to make my delicious lemon garlic rosemary roast chicken. Adding minced or pureed garlic to our freshly squeezed lemon juice, Italian seasoning, rosemary, paprika, salt and ground black pepper, vegetable oil or olive oil, whichever one you may have on hand is perfectly fine. Last but not least, we're going to add the melted butter and combine all of the ingredients and set the marinade aside, using the other 2 lemons and cutting them into wedges. We're also going to take a head of garlic and slice it in half. We're going to take our lemon wedges and coat them with the rosemary. It doesn't matter, it could be fresh or dried rosemary. At this point, we're going to take our rosemary lemon wedges and stuff the cavity of the chicken, stuffing the garlic in the chicken as well. Doing all of this would help the chicken to have immense flavor during the roasting process. Taking our chicken and adding it to a trusty Ziploc bag. At this point, we're going to pour the marinade all over the chicken while making sure to coat the front and the back of the chicken. Letting all of the air out of the bag, close the bag tightly, and let's shake the bag around to make sure all of that marinade is covering the chicken. We're going to place it in our refrigerator for about 2 hours. And once we're done, we're going to place it in a roasting pan and place it in our preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and allow the chicken to roast for about 1 hour to 1 hour and a half. Usually during the last 30 minutes of the roasting process, I add my McCormick roasted garlic and herb seasoning to the gravy. Basting the chicken with it literally takes the flavor up a couple of notches. I know you guys have to admit this lemon garlic rosemary roasted chicken looks absolutely gorgeous. Anyway guys, as always, thanks for cooking with Tammy. For all recipe details and measurements, be sure to visit cookingwithtammy.recipes or click the link in the description bar. Until next time, enjoy.